Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to align text vertical in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now you want to align text vertical. At first, select your text. Firstly, click inside the text box. Then select the text, click and drag on our mouse. Now you want to align this text vertically. You can align left, center, right or justify. Now I am select the alignment center. Otherwise you can use the keyboard shortcut key. First select the all text, then press Ctrl E to text align center. Otherwise you can alignment left, press Ctrl L, or right, press Ctrl R, or justify, press Ctrl J. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.